This is the moment, Rick and Annie. Finally, after long wait, you're here to culminate and highlight an event of your love and of your life together, your wedding day.
Ikaw lamang ang pangakong mahalin sa sumpang sa'yo.
Rick, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Annie na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at malituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Dali ang buhay kong sumpang sa'yo.
After having been good friends for these past years and past months, now you are here to start a new chapter of sharing your life and love together.
Ikaw lamang ang pangakong
Sobrang nakakatuwa ka.
sa takbo saktan, liwanagan ang daan, yakapin mo bawat sandali, ang buhay kong sumpang sa'yo lamang alay, at mapapawi ang takot sa'kin, pagtataglay lakas mong angkin. Ikaw ang siyang pag-ibig ko, asahan mo.
And Annie, I wish you the best of journey in this sacrament of marriage. We will be watching, for we have waited for this long of this unity together, and we hope you will be blessed with children.
Ikaw lamang ang pangako.
Annie, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Rick na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at malituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Yakapin mo bawat
O Panginoon, kami po ay inyong loobing magkaisa ng kaloob at damdamin mula ngayon sa kaginhawahan at kahirapan, sa karamdaman at kalusugan, sa lahat ng araw ng aming buhay.
sa'kin, pangakong walang hanggan.
The Lord will have to give you. That would be our wish. And much more, children filled with much love in your home. Congratulations and a blessed celebration of your wedding.